right, here we go. Y'all see I got a gel block. I was just seeing what I can make, what I could come up with. And we're gonna just go ahead and take two shots. The Hornady and the Winchester. We're gonna plow into this thing. It's pretty solid. It's a hard gel block. We got our simulated heart right there. Now this would probably be like a doe right here. A doe is probably about 10 inches or so wide. Deer aren't as wide as you think they are. They're really not. It just depending on where you're at, on average they're anywhere from about 10 inches to 14, 15 inches wide, maybe 16 on the big ones wide. But that's it. They're not really wide. This is about 10.5 inches right here. So this would be about like a doe or so. But anyways, we're just gonna take two shots into here real quick and just see if we can make it to our fake heart. Yeah. Jesus Christ. That was the Hornady. All right, here we go. Well, we definitely got a dirty block. It's gonna be interesting on cleaning, but that is kick ass. There you go, right there. Entry from the right to the left. Bullet right there. And it blew our heart out. Okay. The Hornady went in. We went in and it went straight through, and it actually was going downwards. I really hope I hope y'all can get a good picture of that. Right there. I mean, you can see how it caught the clay in there. I hope there ain't a yellow jack nest back here. Y'all are fixing to see me get stung up. Ate up. But yeah. We clipped it and it blew it out. It's pretty cool. This is from the opposite side. Here we go on our some kind of heart thing. At 100 yards. That was crazy. A lot of power going on right there with that bullet. And that is definitely impressive. That is awesome. What we got right there. But we expanded out the widest on this with that big sprawl. Right there. That is at 504. On average, it's about 398 around. We dropped down to 49.8 on the weight, and top to bottom was a .387. So there you go. That is not a bad bullet at all. I am definitely probably going to be trying these out this season for sure.